Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So for this video, I'm gonna show you how to add music on Facebook Reels. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to add music to your Facebook Reels, you can follow these steps. Now first thing you're gonna do is open your Facebook app on your mobile device. Then tap the plus sign on the upper right, then press on Reels. Now here, you can choose a video that you would like to use for your reel. Then press audio and press add music. You can choose from different music here, and you can browse and select a song from the available options or search for a specific song. For example, let's try worship songs. And see that various options shows. So just choose whichever you would like to use. And you can choose which part of the song you want to include in your reel. You can also add text, effects, and stickers to your reel before posting it. Then tap on the share button or next and describe your reel and just share your reel. And please take note and keep in mind that not all songs may be available to use on Facebook Reels due to copyright and licensing restriction. Additionally, the availability of music on Facebook Reels may vary by location. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. If you have any questions, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like. Thanks!